Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete playlists on your YouTube app. So this is the Android version of YouTube app. Now you can tap on your YouTube application. So maybe you want to create a new list. You want to create some fresh playlist and you want to delete one of your playlists. It's very easy to do on this YouTube app. You can tap on your profile picture, or this is your profile page, and this is the playlist that I made, that I created a long time ago. So there are three categories here. For watch later, this is by default on YouTube. You cannot delete this watch later playlist. Also, like video, you cannot delete this playlist, but you can unlike the videos. And one, this is the year of me. This is deletable playlist. So I create this year of me album a long time ago. So in order to delete this playlist, you can tap small three dots beside the name of album. Sorry, this one, and just tap on delete. Now the album of your playlist will be removed. And also the second method, you can tap on your playlist. Again, you can tap three dots at the top of your screen. There is no there is a delete option here, delete playlist. So all the videos will be removed and the album will be removed completely if you tap on delete option. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.